Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting essential parts so you can start building immediately. A microcontroller like an Arduino or Pico, a 5V2A supply, a small DC motor with encoder, buttons, and a display. Once ready, transfer printed templates to cardboard and cut panels precisely, scoring fold lines to get clean edges. Make mounting tabs about 3 to 5 millimeters wide so pieces glue securely. While cutting, label each panel and part with a marker to avoid confusion later, and test fit pieces dry before gluing. Once the frame holds shape, mount the motor and encoder so the wheel or pointer turns freely and stays aligned. Use a small one, 3-pulley or gear to reduce speed and increase torque. Make sure encoder wires are strain-relieved with glue or tape. Next, route wiring to a central breadboard. Connect buttons, encoder signals, and the display to the microcontroller, and place a motor driver between motor and controller to handle current. Double-check common ground and 5V rail continuity. Neat wiring prevents intermittent faults and simplifies debugging. Now flash the quiz firmware that reads buttons and encoder, updates the display with math problems, and triggers motor feedback for correct answers. Make lesson files modular, 10 to 20 sample quizzes in simple CSV format, so you can add content without rewiring. Once powered, run full tests. Verify button debounce, encoder zeroing, display clarity, and motor response to correct/incorrect events. If the encoder drifts or inputs miss, check solder joints and power stability first. Reroute noisy motor wires away from signal lines as a primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.